far. Stupid ass.
Those walls are built, maybe they're tumbling down, and they haven't put up a fight, they didn't even make a sound. Found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got an angel now. It's like I've been awakened, every rule I had you breaking. It's a risk that I'm taking, I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Maybe I can see your halo, I know you're my saving grace. Everything I need and more, it's written all over your face. Maybe I should feel your halo. Fade away, halo, 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 your halo, 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 your halo, your halo, halo. Like a ray of sun, burning through my darkest night.
Here you get it from me, and I'll sing it.
Addicted to your light, so I fall again, but there's no feeling like I'm falling.
Yeah, try it.
Going back to the ground again, like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking, it's a risk that I'm taking. I'm never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Maybe I should feel your halo, know you're my saving grace.
Okay. The time I gotta sing, it doesn't like have the words. It's just the lyrics. It's instrumental.
This is for my peoples who just lost somebody. Your best friend, your baby, your man or your lady. Put your hands way up high. We won't never say bye. No, no, no. Mamas, daddies, sisters, brothers, friends and cousins. This is for my peoples who lost their grandmothers. Lift your hands to the sky, 'cause we'll never say bye. As a child, there were many times I didn't get it, but you kept me alive. I didn't know, I didn't know. Show me a sense I just wanted, and I miss you, and I will talk through all the growful things separation brings. You never let me know it, you never let me show it, 'cause you love me, and obviously there's more left to say. If you were with me today, face to face, I never knew I could hurt like this. And everyday life goes on now. Wish I could talk for a while. Miss you if I try not to cry as I go by. It's true that you reached a better place. Still I give the world to see your face. Every time you're next to you, it feels like you've been done so soon. The hardest things to do is say bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye. And you never got a chance to see how good I've done. You never got to see me like a #1. I wish that you were here to celebrate together. I wish that we could spend the holidays together. Remember when you used to tuck me in at night with a teddy bear you gave me that I held so tight. I thought you were so strong to make it through whatever. It's so hard to accept the fact you're gone forever. I never knew I could hurt like this, and everyday life goes on. I wish I could talk for a while, miss you, but I try not to cry. Time goes by. It's Still like the world to see your face every time I'm next to you. Feels like you've gone too soon. The hardest thing to do is say bye, 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 bye. This is for my peoples who just lost somebody. Your best friend, your baby, your man or your lady. Put your hands way up high. We will never say bye. No, no, no. Mamas, daddies, sisters, brothers, friends, and cousins. This is for my peoples who lost their grandmothers. Lift your hand to the sky. We will never say bye. I never knew it. I never knew it every day of my life. I wish, wish, as time goes by, I've reached a better place, so I can go on and see your face. Next to you I say, bye, bye, bye. It's not the